Hello, today I am Ethan. We will be doing a toy review on a Play-Doh kitchen creation and Play-Doh. And each one sold separately. Fun Time for Lunchbox, Recorder Lunch, and I don't know how to speak Spanish. So yes, and this is what it looks like, and my sister started opening it. And it is only at Target. And this is the Play-Doh we'll be using, like regular Play-Doh.
Yeah, and we can also have all of our stuff that we can make.
My name is Ethan, and don't forget, we will also be doing the bell button. Oh wait, that's not a thing. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, you'll find the bell button, and if you hit it, you'll be notified every time I make a new video. And let's see, there are apple slices, pretzels, and whatever that is. Apples.
And a sandwich.
Sandwich, water bottle, right? No, I don't know what that is. But then you also have candy. Okay, I'm still opening. My name's Ethan. Her name's Emily.
And say it's also my birthday.
We got these from her birthday today, so they've never been opened. And this is not a toy review. It's a toy show. So as you can see, this is what we get. And then you'll get this. You get your Play-Doh that comes with it, but we're just gonna also have extra Play-Doh. Is there anything inside of it?
Nope.
Nope.
That's it. So now we get cooking. Now I'm going to get started cooking. So
I don't know if you guys could see that. See.
can you help me open it?
So I will be open. My sister needed help, as you can hear. Here we have our apple slicer. Our cheese cutter, I think.
Yeah, that's
Our knife to cut our bread.
and our cheese.
And what's this?
A roller pin.
Yeah, I think that's our roller. And here's our appler.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, our appler. So we make our apple, then we take it out and we slice it. I don't know if you guys could see that, but... Oh yes, and here's a fork.
Yeah, for eating.
Here's our plate. Oh, look, it even has its little Play-Doh. Cherries.
Yeah.
Two. And I can't... Oh,
That's an orange.
oranges.
If
Oh
you-
yes, this is this machine.
I can open this either.
Okay, so my sister, unfortunately, cannot open anything.
Yeah, I can open Play-Doh.
Wait, no, we're not doing that. Here is our grapes.
Yep, there's a red.
I can't figure out what those are. Blueberries. I don't know what that is. Ham, probably. And bananas. And then a triangle. What was triangle on the box? Nothing? Yeah, I think there's more stuff. Yeah. Oh, yeah, here. There should be more stuff in here. And can you open the Play-Doh thing?
This
No,
thing?
no, this. We're going to start with that.
How come I make this big?
Oh, look, I found our pretzel thing. Shown as on the box right
So
here.
there's all of our plates. But there's
Oh, good. I hope you guys are still with me. And then we have our cheese slicer. Oh, it's like a bread, except it has all the stuff underneath it. And what's this? Oh, yeah, for bananas.
yeah. So here's all our Play-Doh.
Yeah,
And
and
then
as you guys can
extras.
see, that's... Oh, it's that. Well, yeah, I guess that's everything. Okay.
Yeah.
I
So
guess
let's start making.
let's start.
I'm going to be starting.
I wonder what
with
you guys are.
apples.
Wait, you need. What's that apple slicer?
Apple.
Oh, here, you put your Play-Doh in there. You use red. No, you use red. And let's see. I'm doing chips.
I can open Play-Doh.
Okay. Unfortunately, my sister cannot be opening anything today.
Yeah.
Shoo, we have to be quiet. Oh, Mom's sleeping. You just have to find a way to get that out. Whoever got you this for your birthday is very good. Knowing Mom hates Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Most moms do.
Yeah.
Oh, and just so you guys know, you can also use Play-Doh as clay.
Yeah.
So it's not like this is the only thing you can use Play-Doh for. Okay, and let's see, I have my little chip thing. So I'm gonna need some of that. So we'll put the rest of that in there. And then all you have to do is you just press down.
Be pressing that. Okay, so here's this side.
Press down. What I normally do is I always press down as hard as I can, and then I take off the excess. And then you just...
Here's our apple, and now I'm going to slice it. Slice my apples. There we go. My apples are finished.
And it looks like a real chip, doesn't it?
And
I mean,
I
like-
my plate.
And look, it even has like a little bite. Look.
Okay.
What should I do next?
And
Should I do this banana?
And I'm going to be doing the sandwich with apples on it. Apple sounds good with it. And that would be it, what she wanted on her sample. Ethan, look at this sandwich.
And then for this, all you do is you put that there.
I feel like I broke my hand, but I didn't.
You did not break your hand.
No, I thought I did.
Your hand is perfectly fine.
Okay. So now we'll be putting this on some cheese.
Okay, and as you see,
Now we're going to go.
you push that out.
Can I please have some yellow
Wait, for what?
for cheese?
Cheese? Yeah, sure. Oh wait, here's the cheeseburgers right here.
Oh, dang.
And we have this again. I don't know.
That's for, that is for, I don't know. Let's get it on the box. Do you see, that looks like for, it looks like for
I'm gonna
this.
use number 4. So as you guys can see, it has like the 4 squares. Oh yeah, and here's our masher, and it has like your little Play-Doh symbol. I'm holding it upside down. It has your Play-Doh symbol. And let's start doing this. I don't know. I'm gonna use white for this.
Here's some cheese. And there's sandwich.
I'm just gonna
Now I would like green.
stuff this full of white.
How do I open this?
Okay, that's pretty good.
Okay, she was just like some cheese.
And I will show you what this looks like.
Okay. So that looks very good, don't it?
Yep.
Now
And
you
so
see-
far, this is what we have. Wait, I'll make sure you guys can see it since nobody's behind camera. But yeah, so we have that halfway filled foot, I think. Sorry if it's too long, but we're doing a Play-Doh review. And we
Yeah,
have,
because it's mine and it's my birthday.
and she really wanted to do a Play-Doh review.
Yeah. And
We have one more review. It's called Beyblade review.
Yeah.
Well, it's a Beyblade review.
Yeah, we have another on our other channel when we're done with this channel.
This is not. Yeah, we do happen to have an unboxing channel.
Yeah. We don't have another Play-Doh one. I told you.
Oh, whoa! It's like strips. Like, look, it comes out in all these little strips. So, like, you could have like mac and cheese
Yeah.
or tortellini.
Ethan, I need this for a sec.
Okay. Oh, and look, I figured out how you do some stuff with it. Oh my God, there's still Play-Doh in it. Wait, Em, I never pushed it all out. Look.
Your white Play-Doh fell. I need to make some mac and cheese on this plate.
Let's see. Yeah, and then like you can scoop them out in very tiny bits. And yeah, here you go. Now, what should I make? Should I give this video a thumbs up if you want us to review this? If you want us to review, if you want my sister to ask me to review all that, and we will. There's over 1,000 items. And later on, we will be having reviewing that elite gun and that something gun. I forget, but we just got it today. So, what do you think I should do now? Sandwich?
Yeah. Here's her stripes. Oh, wait, where's that plate? I'm putting mac and cheese on it.
Yeah, so I figured out how. You just jam the Play-Doh in, and then all you have to do is you just have to get it right out, and look on the other side, and you have a beautiful Swiss cheese. And now that I have my Swiss cheese, I will be making my bread. What color is bread? Brown. We don't have any brown.
Well, we can mix.
I'll use red.
Yeah.
We are trying to make this as realistic as we can, except it did not happen to come with any brown.
No.
That kind of sucks.
Yeah.
Because we could have really used a brown.
Yeah. And now I'm going to make a meat for the sandwich.
Do you think anyone's going to want to watch this?
Maybe.
I hope somebody does.
Me too.
Some of them have no reviews on the internet.
Yeah.
Which means nobody wants to watch them.
Yeah.
And then you flip it, and you actually have like a very nice looking bread.
Ethan, can I have that bread after you? I'm making the sandwich. I first need the knife. Shove it right in.
And yeah, you have a very nice looking piece of bread. It might look a little fake because it's red, but yeah. And then you can take your bread, and you take your cheese, and you put that on. And then what else do you need? Lettuce.
Yeah.
Except we don't have that.
Green is it?
Oh, I don't care. So right now we will just be making another red piece of bread.
Bread? I mean lettuce?
Bread.
Yeah, you do.
I meant bread. Okay, that will not work. This stays in the banana.
I'm still making some like mac and cheese.
Wait, was my knee in the way? My knee might have been in the way. So I'll try that. Look, so you have, I don't know if you guys saw, but I think you have your beautiful thing. You have your cheese. Put it on top. You make one more piece of bread. And you flip it over and you have a perfect piece.
Ethan, there's Play-Doh.
And you have a cheese sandwich.
Ethan, look at there's bread and there's like that stuff in there. Okay.
Well, I guess we're going to end the video here, guys. I hope you subscribed and had a fun time.